Greetings once again, grade 10. We are having this question on ourselves. We are set to solve for x for 2.1. How do I solve for x in this one? Firstly, I had h is equals to 1 over 2g x squared. So to clear up everything here, I'll have to take everything and multiply by 2. Why am I multiplying by 2? To get rid of that fraction. So hence I will have here 2h is equals to g x squared. Then I divide by g, I divide by g. Then I will be having here x squared. Here I'll have 2h over g. Then I put a square root, I put a square root. Then x is equals to plus or minus the square root of 2h over g. So that is how we solve for x on that one. Then on number 2, we have to factorize, okay? Now let's check. Okay, on this one, I will first take, open up two sets of brackets, 2.1.2, two sets of brackets. Then I will have x and I'll have x. Now I'm looking for the factors of 24. That will give us 10. That is 6 and what? And 4. 6 times 4 is 24. They're both negative, okay? So hence we know that x is equals to 6 or x is equals to what? 4, okay? Then we continue from there to 2.1.3. Number 1, we have to change that 1 over 2 and write it as 2 raised to negative 1 all raised to 3x minus 1. This is equals to. Then when we change 1 to 8, so we know that 1 to 8 supposed to give us something like 2 raised to what? 2 raised to, let me check, I think it's 7. Yes, 2 raised to 7. Okay, so that is what we are having there. Then if we have something like that, we simply say what? We simply say negative 1 into 3x minus 1 equals to 7. Then we know that we will have what? 3x minus 1 equals to negative 7 because I divided by negative 1. Then from there, I take this to the other side. 3x is equals to negative 6. Divide by 3, divide by 3. Therefore, x is equals to negative 2. Okay, so that is negative 2. Okay, then from there, we continue. 2.2. The set given an inequality, solve for x. How do I solve for x then? I'll be having 3x minus 2. This, it's like negative 5, and this is 7. Take 2 to the other side. I'm left inside as 3x. Then here, this side it will be 9. And then this side it will be negative 3. Then I divide by 3, I divide by 3, I divide by 3. Then x is now in between negative 1 and what? And 3. Then they said, hence, draw it in a number line. We said when you draw it in a number line, we will be having negative 1, we'll be having 3. Then negative 1 will be shaded. Then 3 won't be shaded. Then we join the 2. That is how we draw a number line, okay? Then lastly, we go for simultaneous equations, solve for x. So we'll be having what? We'll be having negative 2x minus y equals to 10 as equation number 1. Equation number 2 is 3x minus 4y equals to negative 4. That is equation number 2. Then we find equation number 3. Equation number 3 will be y is equals to negative 2x minus 10. This is equation number 3. Then I say substitute equation number 3 into equation number 2. Equation number 3 into equation number 2. So hence we will be having what? We will be having 3x minus 4 into negative 2x minus 10 is equals to negative 4. This is 3x plus 4 times 2 is 8x, then plus 40 equals to negative 4. This and this will give us 11x is equals to negative 44. Then divide by 11, we know for sure that therefore our x is equals to negative 4. Then take this and substitute into the third equation. So I'll be having y is equals to negative 2 into negative 4 minus 10. Okay, sorry. Then here we'll be having what? 2 times 4 is 8, positive 8. So this will be 8 minus 10, which is equals to negative 2. So y is equals to negative 2 and x is equals to 4. That is how we do such a problem. Thank you.